Welcome back. Protecting your important documents and photos should not have be a manual task that you forget until it's too late. So stop worrying about losing your important documents. In this video, I will show you a lightning fast way to access your backup setting using a simple Windows shortcut. To set up an automatic safety net for your data, start up by pressing Window key plus R on your keyboard altogether to open the Run dialog box. So in the input field, you need to type slui and hit enter. This will jump you straight into your system settings. Once the setting windows appears, locate and click on the files backup. Click on that. So under the backup using file history, you will see that two options, add a drive or the more options. You need to click on the more options. So in the backup options file, you will see that backup my files, and here you need to drop down this and select you want to make the backup daily and keep my backups, and here you want to set the period. If you want to set your data for the 2 years, you need to select 2 years, 1 year, 9 months. It's up to you how much space is needed for that task. So for this I need to forever by default. So in the backup these folder you can add a folder and you can save that backup. And you can also exclude the folders which you don't want to take the backup. So once you are happy with the backup option, click back to the setting options, and now toggle for the automatically backup my files will switch on to, and window will handle the rest in the background without you needing to lift a finger. So this process provides a fail-safe against hardware failure or accident deletion by maintaining an up-to-date mirror of your data on a separate device. Moreover, it automatically saves copies of your files every hour, ensuring you can recover specific versions of a document from earlier in the day. So that's all for the today. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.